Hala locked her phone into the glove compartment.
I don't want it now.
Hala, let's tuck goo.
Let's take you. She didn't reply.
Look at me.
Stupid face.
How's your vision?
It's double.
Like this?
Can you not yell at me though?
Hey.
We came here the whole way and she
No,
thought cars were
I'm
running.
I'm a wildcat. You can't contain me.
No, watch. Containing. Hala, look, I'm containing
I
you.
don't want to see it.
What were the cars doing on the way here?
They were crashing like in the grass and like, falling off of bridges and stuff.
Hala, look at me.
Okay, well we can't wait for your dad, so we're gonna go inside.
Hala, look at
Stop touching me!
Look, my fingers.
No!
She's actually also said that she's a ghost whisperer
I know.
and she thinks she sees ghosts.
I did see good.
And then she yelled out like on David Goes to the Dentist, I am Melanie!
I don't think his name is Melanie.
His name's not Melanie, his name's David.
I thought, for that moment in time, I thought it was Melanie.
Look.
Okay, well we gotta go inside
Hala,
now.
watch.
Peace. You're not gonna have
Hey,
3
Hala.
teeth when we come back.
Hala, look.